Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen in Fortnite. A Zen device is a powerful tool designed to enhance your gaming experience by allowing custom scripts to run. It primarily offers features like advanced anti-recoil and improved aim assist, giving you a competitive edge. Understanding its core functions is the first step to mastering your gameplay and achieving consistent performance across various scenarios. To begin, connect your Zen device to your console or PC using the provided USB cables. Next, download and install the Zen Studio software, ensuring your device's firmware is updated to the latest version. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes. Once updated, you can load a compatible Fortnite game pack, which contains pre-configured settings to optimize your in-game performance right away. Within Zen Studio, navigate to the Fortnite game pack to customize your settings. You can adjust anti-recoil values for different weapons, often by increments of 5 to 10 units, to minimize vertical and horizontal kick. Fine-tune aim assist strength, typically between 0 and 100%, and set dead zones for precise control. Remember to save your custom profiles for quick access during gameplay. Beyond basic settings, explore advanced script features like rapid fire for semi-automatic weapons or auto sprint for seamless movement. If you encounter issues, check your cable connections and ensure your game pack is active. For new scripts and community support, visit online forums and dedicated websites. Always aim for ethical use to maintain fair play and enjoy a truly enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.